Welcome to the TheraFace Pro How-To series. In this video, you'll see how to use the LED light rings. Each light has its own benefit. Red light reduces wrinkles around the eyes, blue light reduces mild to moderate acne, and red and infrared light reduces the wrinkles around the eyes and provides therapeutic warming to temporarily reduce pain and discomfort. Red light and red and infrared light steps. Attach the LED ring to your TheraFace Pro and turn on by pressing the power button for 2 seconds. Turn on your desired LED light by pressing the middle button, selecting the red or red and infrared LED light. The TheraFace Pro LED ring has a proximity sensor system and will only reach full light intensity once the device is placed at the right distance from your face, which is approximately ½ inch. If you want to attach your flat percussive attachment to the device to activate the proximity sensor when touching the skin, you may do so. Start in the center of your chin and glide with light pressure to the right ear. Then glide back to your chin and continue making gliding passes across the chin until you reach the temple. Each pass should take 5 seconds, so you're spending 15 seconds in each area or quadrant of the face. Then move across the forehead and slowly up towards the scalp. Return to the center of your chin and treat the left side of your face with the same step as the right side. Then go down the sides of your nose, across the upper lip, and ending with the chin area. Close your eyes. Then move to the right side of the jaw near the ear and slide down towards the collarbone. Continue zigzagging across the neck until the entire neck is covered. If you're using percussive therapy with your red or red and infrared treatment, skip over the center of the throat. You can complete all of these steps 2 more times for a total of 3 times. To end your LED treatment, power off your device. Blue LED steps. Attach the LED ring to your TheraFace Pro and turn on by pressing the power button for 2 seconds. Turn on the LED light by pressing the middle button. Then select the blue LED light by pressing the middle button 2 times. If you want to attach your flat percussive attachment to the device to activate the proximity sensor when touching the skin, you may do so. However, we do not suggest turning on the percussive attachment as this may spread harmful acne bacteria. To begin, start on your forehead closest to the scalp and slowly glide the device from right to left. Continue making passes on the forehead until you reach the eyebrows. Then move to the center of your chin and glide along the right side of the jawline, making continuous passes up the right side of the cheek up toward the under eye and temple. Repeat these steps on the left side of your face. To end your LED treatment, power off your device. Pro tip: the blue light can also be a great spot treatment. For example, if you're only experiencing breakouts on your cheek, you can hold the device in place until it beeps 3 times, 45 seconds total.